Hello, in this JavaScript video, I am going to show you events. So we're going to do some really basic HTML here, and I'm just going to write the JavaScript code here as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is do events. Event is when something happens, like you click a button, you move your mouse, it enters a particular location, or like an element on the screen. That is an event that has been triggered, and as a result, you can do something. I'm just going to show you the on-click event. The principle is the same for all the other events. I will provide a link that shows you all of the different events that JavaScript provides. I think I've said the word event a million times in the last 10 seconds alone. So I will stop saying that word for now. So to implement, I need to say, to implement an event, pretty simple. You just need to add a attribute to any element. So we just do on click. So this is, for the click one, but there are other ones as well, like there's on mouse down. Sublime is pretty good like this, and it shows you the different ones when you just start typing equals. And in here, we actually specify a method that gets called, which is written in our JavaScript here. So I'm just going to say, call this awesome func. So there we go. And if we copy that, and here we just create our function the way we normally would. We could pass in some parameters if we wanted to, but we're going to keep it simple. We're just going to do a console.log. I'm going to say hello. So if I reload it, obviously nothing's happened. If I click it, it says hello, and every time I click it, it does another one. And that's it for events. Commonly you would have events like on click on more conventional clickable items like a button and not just some title, but the principle is exactly the same. It's an attribute, you assign it to an element, have some sort of function name, the function goes here, put some code in between it, any sort of code, again it's just any type of function, and that's it. Like I said, I'll provide a link so you can see all of the other different events that you can tap into. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.